Hello, welcome to Tech Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an album on Soundcloud. It's pretty easy. So first off, we're going to select a song, going to options and tap on add to playlist. Then I'm going to create a playlist. Let's name it playlist 1. Then I'm going to save it and go to playlist. And here you can see SoundCloud has created a playlist, but that's not it. We're going to click on edit. Then we're going to change the playlist type to the album, and then we are going to select the release date, whichever it is, and a genre that we want, whichever you want. And you can add some additional tags, a description, and a picture also if you want. And that's it. Then click on save changes, and then you can see that it has created an album. Just go to your profile and click on albums, and you can see your album which you have created. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it amongst your friends.